Hi everyone, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of new videos when I upload them. And I received another package. This package here, I've received another Happy Meal, Christmas in July Happy Meal, and this is for my husband. And I'm going to open it up on the camera. I'm going to open it up here and see what it is. And since we haven't, like I said, we've been quarantined and we haven't really been going out spending money out to eat, he's been buying my daughter and I some stuff. For this month. Oh, that's loose. So that way it gave him extra money. I'm going to get the package slip. And let's see what it is. Oh, that's a Speedball screen printing kit. That's what it is. And you can put designs on t-shirts. And it's an intermediate kit. And you get drawing fluid and screen filler, level 2, and level 3 would be photo illusion. Let's see what's on the side. And this is a sample of the photo illusion on the side. I guess it would be to make something like that. And no, that's not photo illusion. This is drawing fluid and screen filler process right here. This is the process of that. And number 3 is photo illusion, something like this. Oh, okay. What do you get in this kit? Let's see what you get. It's a Speedball intermediate kit, screen printing kit. You get squeegee, and you get wood frame mess, and you get black fabric ink, red fabric ink, 40 ounces of both, and you get photo illusions, 40 ounce. Photo illusion remover. You get screen filler, drawing fluid. What is that? Speed clean. A speed clean round brush down at the bottom. And you get your instructions. So it comes with everything you need to get started. And I'm not going to open it. And it looks like a nice kit. And when I create a shirt with it, I'll show it right here. So this is a screen print Speedball screen printing intermediate kit. To get everything with it to get started. There's nothing on the back. And then it says drawing fluid, paint your own image with drawing. It says best for hand drawn or paint images, gives your greater detail and control without need for exposure. Features are drawing fluid and screen filler works together to create a painted stencil. This is an effect technique for detailed hand-drawn images or images with a painted quality. And then the photo illusion one says expose your image photographically, best for creating a permanent photograph stencil from a pre-printed black and white image. Features photo emulsions, allows for the highest level of details and widest range of possibilities, given the need for specific tools and indicated steps. It is also the most time intensive and involved technique. And this is a screen printing kit, and it's Speedball. Oh, I like it. I'm gonna have to give this a try. And that's one of the things that he gave me. And he also went to Target, and I got something in here. My husband went to Target and got me something that was on clearance. Now this is pretty. And this is a craft storage expandable tote. And it says it was clearance for $5.98. It was $19.99. And this comes from Target. And I need something to carry. I told him if he seen something that I could put like some paper in while I do my crafting. I'm gonna see get some paper and see if it'll work. I'll grab a stack of this paper about and put it in there. I need something like when I'm gonna do my crafting and I wanna. Oh yeah, that works great. So holds it in there nice. And you can stack a lot more stuff in there. You see all that paper I put in there. And it's sturdy. And it probably put some colored pencils or something in there. And it's got like these little elastic things right here that you can stick stuff in there. You probably could put like hole punchers or to hold up in there or something like that. Oh, this is a really nice craft storage bag, and he got it from Target. It was $5.98 clearance down, and I can fit a lot more stuff in there. I can fit a lot of my scrap papers, like my scraps here. A lot of that can go in there, and I still got room. So this is a nice little bag for $5.98. Can't beat it. A craft storage bag, and it's expandable, so I can still put more stuff in there, and it's really pretty. And I can carry a lot of my papers in here for my paper crafts. And yeah, as you see that big stack I put there in there, that's a big stack of cardstock, and it's really nice. So a really nice bag. And really pretty and really sturdy, and you can't beat that price, $5.98. Clearance down at Target. Yep, and I like it. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell so when I upload a video, you'll be notified that I uploaded a new video. And thank you for watching. Be blessed. And thank you for subscribing. Bye-bye. Have a great day.